Good morning! Look at that guy. Just having a snack this morning. Good day for some breakfast. So here we are, Carlsbad Caverns National Park, driving our way towards the caves. And we found an ibex this morning.
We think that's
Yeah, we'll double check. Look at that thing. Oh, that's amazing. So cool. Alright, so we're pulling up on Carlsbad Caverns. This is what it looks like from the outside. This is the visitor center, I'm pretty sure. But you have to make a reservation to be able to hike into the caverns. But I was on top of that and made it. So, I think we're going to be good to go. Cutting it a little close on our reservation time, but in true Bryce and Katie fashion, it'd be like that sometimes. Really windy, and a little cold and rainy-ish. With that attitude.
Look at that.
Alright, Bryce, how was Carlsbad Caverns formed?
So it was formed when two land masses collided, causing Pangea, which is the one big continent, and it was formed before mammals, dinosaurs existed here. And it was also underwater, and that is
What it looked like
a
long time ago?
Yeah.
That's pretty cool. Cool. You look like an epic spelunker. There's over 180 miles of caves underneath us, and they continue to discover new passages and rooms every day.
And there's a room called the Big Room, which is larger than 6 football fields.
Wow, that must be it.
No, it says right there, Big Room.
Oh,
So,
this must be
that's
it.
right, though.
Kind of cool. Up to 400,000 bats live in these caves, and they do this thing where they fly out every night and you can go watch it. We're not going to be here at night, so we're not going to be able to see the bats fly, but it's still pretty cool. This is the cave where you can watch the bats fly out of.
Hey, Katie.
Yeah.
How much money did you jump in this pile of
$0.
You do it for free?
No, I'm not doing it at all. Is this your first time spelunking? Spelunking is cave exploring. Oh my gosh, you guys, this is so cool.
This cave is dark.
I'm nervous, I'm scared.
It's a big cave and it goes way down there. This is just the start. So there's thousands of bats that live way back in there, and all the babies like stay together in the area called the nursery, and then the mom leaves and then comes back and is able to locate which one is hers amongst like thousands. So that's really crazy. This is sick. Look at all that stuff. Alright, onward. And down exactly what all this is, but pretty sick. Looks like salt.
It does look like salt. So there's a teenage boy that discovered this cave because a huge swarm of bats came out, and he went down this 36-foot drop with a ladder and some rope. Before there were these nice paved stairways to get down into this hole.
Back in the 1800s.
Back in the 1800s. That's pretty crazy. Look at these things. Ringtail cats live down here and are active at night. So cute. Let's find one. Continuing to go into the cave. Guys, this is so cool. Like, so cool. I'm so glad we decided to stop here.
'The entire Notre Dame Cathedral in the big room.
Yeah, I know, that's pretty wild. It's the Leaning Tower of Pisa.
Rock and mine?
So this rock is a 200,000 ton rock that fell off the ceiling and landed here. They said not to worry, that rocks probably aren't gonna fall off the ceiling again, but whoa. Would you like to get hit in the head by that thing, Bryce? So this is the other side of Iceberg Rock, and it fell about 500,000 years ago, which is so crazy. And these icicle formations that used to be on the ceiling of the cave stayed intact even through the fall. All of this formed underwater.
Yeah.
Right, Bryce?
Over 200 million years ago.
Wow. All right, we made it to the big room. Finally. Out of the cave.
Yeah.
It's really bright out here.
Yeah. It's also misting.
Yeah, it's a
I
little
looked
rainy.
out and it looks like the ocean out there.
Yeah,
You can't obviously
that's not
see
the
our
ocean.
faces, but
But that was really fun.
definitely recommend.
100% recommend. Very cool experience. Never done anything like that before.
Yeah, that was my first time spelunking.
There's what looks like the ocean, but it's not the ocean. That's not water. It's just kind of foggy, misty, ocean looking. And there's our van. Well, this is our next stop for the day. It's a bit rainy, but here is the International UFO Museum. Let's go learn about some aliens.
Research and document examination has been done in an effort to substantiate the validity of the papers.
How'd they get you in here?
That's not me. It's an alien. one hits close to home. Chicago O'Hare Airport UFO sighting. Check that out.
We don't know if this is an actual picture, but like aliens.
So main takeaway from the UFO museum is that we're pretty sure that aliens exist.
Yeah, I've thought that for a very long
Bruce
time.
already thought
anyways.
that, but I guess I didn't realize that people actually have gotten abducted by aliens.
Yeah, there's many stories in
There's
there.
like encounters of people that like.
There's a first kind, second kind, third, fourth. Fourth is when you like get abducted, and there's
And
multiple.
that's multiple people that's happened to.
Yeah.
And there's all kinds of like really interesting stuff, like magnetic fields around their bodies after they got abducted, and like
Yeah.
their watches stopped working. Can't make this stuff up. Do some research to check out some alien encounters. That's my advice, because it's going on. Could happen to any of us.
Educate yourself.
Alright, next stop for this rainy day. We are going to the grave of Billy the Kid.
Billy the Kid was an outlaw. He basically made a deal, and he was like, I will give you information.
They let him go for his crimes. They give him amnesty.
So they were like, yeah, that's fine. Deal. And then he gave so they like brought him in, they gave him information, and then they didn't let him go. So then he escaped, and then eventually there was a lot of like wanted
Posters, $500 reward.
and then he walked in, I think, to like a place around here, I guess, and
He was
and then there was a
hiding
sheriff
out
in
there.
and the sheriff just basically ambushed him and just shot him and killed him.
Yeah, it was like literally right here, and then they buried him here, and we're going to his grave. So this is the grave of Billy the Kid.
Died July 14th, 1881.
He was only 21 when he died.
He died on Johnny's birthday, just like 200 years earlier.
Wow. Tombstone has been stolen twice and was recovered in both Granbury,
and
Texas,
California.
and California. That's why they set it in iron like this, so that hopefully it won't get stolen again.